Hi guys, I hope you are well and welcome back to another video. And oh my goodness, I have not done this style of video for as long as I can remember. I originally started my channel doing cleaning content and home and interior hauls as well as clothing hauls and obviously pregnancy and family updates, and I've not done a haul in such a long time. So today, off of the back of a recent cleaning video I posted where I was wearing this really lovely green co-ord set, I got so many questions saying where is it from, etc, etc. So I thought I would do a haul for you of all of the items I picked up in that haul. So as you can probably tell from the title, I picked up all of these pieces from Shein or Shein, however you want to pronounce it. I can't exactly remember how much my order total came to, but I picked up some jewellery bits, some shoes. I also picked up some accessories and then lots of different clothing items from dresses to play suits to co-ords. So I'm going to show you exactly what I got. So if you want to see what I did buy, then just keep watching. So what I'm actually going to do as I show you these items is show you the physical item, then I'm also going to do a bit of a try on, and I'm also going to show you it on the model as well, because some of these pieces did not look anything like it, but some of these pieces were an absolute bargain. Okay, so to start off with, I am going to jump straight in with that green co-ord set that you all loved so much, which is this one here. So these are the shorts, and I feel like they're coming up a little bit different on camera to what they actually are, but they've kind of got like this paper bag type style waist. The green looks very off, but these are a very like dark, I don't know, just a very green. They are absolutely stunning. Like I said, I will leave an inside of a picture and do a try on as well, because I feel like you can see the colour a bit better. And then it came with this shirt, which I absolutely love. I love the fabric of this. It's like that crinkled effect fabric, so you don't need to do overly a lot of ironing. The shirt is long sleeved, but I rolled it up. It's got a collar. I think the shirt would actually look lovely in the summer with a pair of jean shorts as well, or you could pair it with jeans or over the top of a swimsuit set. I'm definitely going to order this in more colours because I think there was quite a few, and I absolutely loved it. Now, I actually wore this with a white bodysuit underneath, and I've just checked the price on this and it was £15. So I think, considering this is like something very similar that you would pick up from like Zara or something like that, I think for £15 this is an absolute steal. So I'm going to be sharing these in all different types of orders of items that I loved and items that I didn't love so much. And one of the items that I thought I was going to absolutely love, and then when I tried it on I just felt like I looked like a bit of a sugar plum fairy, was this. I mean, first of all, it was huge for me. It was so big. So I sized up in the green co-ord set, and I do feel like I could have just sized down a couple of sizes. It was nice, loose and baggy, but I don't feel like it needed to be that big, but I kind of wanted to wear it. This one I picked up in a large, and it's just huge. Could definitely have got away with a medium. I thought it was going to look lovely, but like I said, I just felt, I don't know, a cross between a school dinner lady and I think I felt a bit like a cross between a school dinner lady and a child. I can't put my finger on it. And also the fabric didn't help. It was like a really soft, silky type fabric. I really wasn't a fan of it. This one was actually £13.20, which again, I don't think was too bad for a dress, but this one is definitely being returned because I'm not a fan of it at all. So the next item is one of those items that I saw on the model and I absolutely loved it. I thought it looked so pretty. And then when I tried it on real life, I was not a fan of it. This one I feel like actually came up really small, and there's actually no sizing on it. Oh, apparently I picked this up in a size 12 to 14. And it's this, and I still think it looks so pretty off the hanger even now. So it's this little romper set. As you can see, it's like a little play suit, and it has these straps over the top, and then you kind of adjust the straps here with this knot. I do think it looks so pretty. It's got pockets. I would definitely have loved this, but I just didn't like it on me. I just felt a bit frumpy in it and wasn't a fan. I can't remember if I said, but this was £8, so I do feel like this could potentially look nice on somebody, but it just didn't look nice on me. But for £8, I do still think it's a bit of a bargain. It's a really light fabric as well. I do quite like the fabric of this one, but yeah, not for me. I also want to say that some of these prices might actually differ because there's lots of discount codes, so they always change the price here. So I believe I had a 20% off discount code. I'll leave everything linked below for you, but their prices are always changing. Now, this next set I absolutely loved on the model. I just can't, like, I've tried it on a couple of times because I'm still debating whether I want to return it or not. I actually feel like it might be a bit big for me, so let me know your thoughts in the comments box below. But it's this co-ord set and I absolutely love it. So this is the straps and I love these straps. I think they're so pretty. I love the colour. I think the fabric is lovely. I don't know which way. Yeah, that is definitely the back. I think I picked it up in an extra large, so it's probably the reason why it is a bit big. Although it's saying an extra large is only a 12, so I'm not sure. But I loved it, and it came with these shorts, which I also absolutely loved. I love the frill detailing to the bottom of them, and I thought it was so pretty. Now, this set cost me £12.40, which again, I think is an absolute bargain. I love the fabric, and I'm still trying to debate whether I want to keep it or not. I just felt like how the model had it on, she had it kind of slouched over the front. I felt like that made me look a bit frumpy with the styling of it because the shorts are quite frumpy as well. I might try it a different way and see if I can make it work. If not, that will be getting returned. But I also feel like the sizing really isn't helping me on this because I definitely feel like it's a bit too big. Now, next up, we had this dress and I am gutted. So this dress was in a large. I was not a fan. First of all, I thought it was definitely going to be, it looks very washed out and faded. I don't know if you can tell on the camera or not, but the black is actually like a blacky grey and it's very faded. I love the detailing on it because it had this knot front, which I thought would be really flattering. And I don't know if it's my height or whatever else, but I thought it'd be quite flattering over the belly. But yeah, it just wasn't, I wasn't a fan of this at all. I paid £9.20 for this. I felt like it was a really good length. It had this lovely like slit leg detail on it, which I thought was really, really sweet. I got this one in a size large, but yeah, not a fan. Now, next up is this, excuse it, because I actually wore it yesterday. I've just grabbed it out of my dirty washing. I actually wore this one yesterday, and when I ordered it, I thought it was a dress. So I ordered this thinking it was a dress, and then I thought, when I tried the other green one on, I didn't even try this on. I actually left it in the bag and thought, you know what, I'm just gonna return it, because what I've come to realise is at the moment it's so windy where I live, and with a baby it's just no good. My dresses always blow up, and I thought, well, you know what, it's gonna be a waste of money because I've stopped wearing dresses unless they're heavier, and this looked like a really light fabric. However, I was pleasantly surprised when I got it out to find out it was a romper that I'd ordered. So this is this lovely green colour again, which I'm really, really loving. It's a romper, it's got these, it would help if I did them up, wouldn't it? It's got this button up detail down the middle, and I thought it was really, really sweet. Now, I got this one in an extra large. It's definitely a bit too big for me. I shouldn't have sized up that much. My sizing, I don't know really what size I am at the moment, and I didn't actually want to return half this stuff. I thought, do you know what, it'll be fine. But I probably could have sized down to a large or maybe even a medium in this. There's definitely a lot of room, and I feel like over the years, I make myself look frumpier than I actually am because I wear such baggy clothing, and I think that's why I got so many compliments from people at the school, from friends, family, you guys on YouTube and on Instagram when I wore the other green coverall set that I said that I loved. And I think it was because I had a tighter bodysuit on underneath, and I'm really one to kind of always try and hide my body or wear things that are too big and they don't actually look as flattering, and I feel like this is kind of one of those items. But you know what, it was comfortable and I paid £12 for it. I don't think that's a bad price. So yeah, we're just gonna roll with this. We're gonna keep it. I did really, really like it on. I love the colour, I love the fabric. It was really, really light. It's one of those really, really easy to wear items. I mean, I just probably could have done with downsizing. So these next items I was gutted about. So I really wanted a nice baggy t-shirt and cycling short set. I thought they'd be really, really good for cleaning, running around the house, doing the school run, football, all of that sort of stuff. And so I picked up this set, and on the model, they looked absolutely lovely. And I feel like even to a degree, they look lovely on camera as well. So I got it in this cream colour, and it just says Brooklyn NYC on it, which I absolutely loved. As you can see, it's a big baggy t-shirt. And then I picked it up, these shorts. So they were meant to be cycling shorts as well. And they had the same sort of logo detailing on them. However, I do not like them. First of all, I picked them up in an extra large. They're huge. So the cycling shorts are really, really loose around my legs. They're not tight at all. Secondly, the fabric on them is that silky fabric again, which I just didn't want. I wanted a nice cotton or something like that. This top is really, really heavy. I wanted something that was really light, really breathable for like running around and things like that. And this didn't quite hit the mark. Now, annoyingly, when I picked it up, I actually picked it up in two colours. I picked it up in this colour as well, exactly the same. I thought it looked absolutely lovely on the model. I thought it was going to be really, really wearable and just like really, really easy to put on. So it's the only thing I actually picked up in 2 different colours and I hate it. So yeah, really heavy, fabric's awful, definitely too big. So these are going back as well. Price-wise, they were really reasonable at £11.60 each. So I do think that's a really good price for a co-ord set like that. I'm definitely going to be shopping elsewhere for something like that because I was not a fan. Okay, so we're coming to the end of the clothing items. I have about 3 more clothing items to show you before I move on to shoes and accessories. The next set, oh my God, again, it was one of those things, it looked lovely on the model and then it was awful on me. It was so, so bad. I don't know if it's because I don't like my belly out, so maybe that's why, and I thought it was going to sit a little bit lower. I'm not sure what size I picked it up in. It doesn't actually tell. Oh, I picked it up in an extra large. And I think this is an instance of, I mean, this one fit me okay, so the extra large would have definitely fit me in this case. It's quite a small fabric, but these are the shorts, so very sort of similar to some of the other bits I picked up. And hypothetically, I absolutely loved this. So it came with like a shirt, which again, collar detailing, button down, and then it also came with this like tie-up bit. So essentially, I thought that the tie-up bit would cover my belly quite nicely. That would look really lovely, really ruched. Again, I think this could look lovely on some people. I don't know if it's just because I'm a bit more conscious. Maybe it's because I look quite pale at the moment as well. I don't know if I was massively a big fan of the colour. The green on it is like, I want to kind of say it reminds me of baby poo. It was like a offy green colour. I don't know. I wasn't a fan of this one at all. This one was actually £13.59, so again, I do think it's really reasonable. And again, it looks absolutely amazing on the model, but it was just one that isn't for me. So next up, we have a set that I absolutely love. I've worn it multiple times already. I'm definitely going to go back and order it in more colours. And it's very similar to the creamy set that I picked up as well. But it's this little set here. I've actually just remembered there's another set that I don't know where that's gone. I think I've worn it. I'm gonna have to go get that as well. But it's this set here. It's just a black set. So this time we've got some black shorts. If you can see the fabric, they're like a crinkled fabric. And then it comes with this, just got this out of the wash, the clean washing this time. But it comes with this shirt, which again, I absolutely love. And it's got this lovely button down detailing here with a pocket. It's short sleeved, which I absolutely loved. And it's so comfortable. I absolutely love this item. I'm definitely going to be ordering it in more shades as well. And this one was £14.79. So again, I think really, really reasonable. It was a really light fabric to wear. So yeah, absolutely love that. Now, next up we have this set. And again, I loved this on the model. Here are the shorts. I loved it. It was like a waffle type detailing, as you can see. Shorts here. I got this. There is no sizing on this. I got this in a large. So I love the shorts. And then the top is quite a boxy top, which looks like this. I don't know if you can see it very well, but obviously I will show the try-ons. So this is this one. Now I'm really undecided on whether I want to keep this set or not. Price-wise, it cost me £12.40. So again, very much a really, really decent price. But again, I'm not quite sure I can make it look that great on me. So I would love to know what you think of this set on me, if you think it looks nice, or if I should ditch it and return it, because I'm doing my returns ASAP. And then last up for the sets, I bought this orange co-ord short set and I absolutely love this. It's actually been in the wash because I've already worn it, hence why it's so creased. It's a short sleeve, quite boxy, really light fabric. Again, similar type fabric, but it's quite stretchy this time. It's got this lovely little button-up detailing at the back. And then these shorts, this is something that I'm definitely probably gonna order in another colour. Really, really love that. It was really, really breathable. This one cost me £13.59 and I absolutely loved it. Okay, so next up I'm going to share with you some accessories before I move on to the shoes, because I absolutely love the shoes. But next up I picked up this necklace. It's one of these necklaces whereby it's like a three-way necklace, probably not the right words. I think I've tangled it all. It's all tangled, so you're probably not going to be able to see it properly. I will try and do some sort of close-up, but I absolutely love this on the model. I think it would be better shown on the website. It's just very simple, although it did come, it was very, very tarnished on the bar. I don't know how well, again, you can see that, but it was very tarnished and scratched. It felt very cheap. It looked, I wasn't a big fan of the shade of it either. I'm not going to return it. It was £1. Although my husband did quickly remind me how quickly my skin doesn't like costume jewellery, and I completely forgot that when I was placing this order, so I definitely won't be ordering anything else in terms of necklaces and stuff. But I think for £1, you can't really go wrong, to be honest with you, even if it is a bit crappy and tarnished and stuff, it cost £1. And then very randomly, I needed a new phone case. So I actually ordered this one here, which again, I absolutely love. I don't know if you can see that. It's got like these leopard print things on it. I'm actually going to change it over now whilst we're here. But yeah, I actually picked up this case and I think it looks really, really lovely. There you go, you might be able to see it, but no, you can't see it any better, can you? So it actually cost me £1.40, which I thought was a complete bargain when you're picking up a phone case, because a lot of the time on eBay and Amazon, they're a lot more, or you have to pay for postage and stuff like that. Although, I am just realising this is going to have to go back because it doesn't fit my camera. Look at that on the lens section. What in the world? I've only just gotten it out, but yeah. Oh, that's so annoying. How does that not fit? I'm pretty sure I ordered it for the right phone as well. I'm gonna have to triple check my order, but I'm 100% sure I ordered that for the right phone. Oh, I think I ordered it for the wrong phone. I ordered it for the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I'm pretty sure this is the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So, yeah, no good. But I'm glad I tried that before I did my returns, but the case is lovely. It just doesn't fit on my phone very well. But yeah. And then very last up, one of my favourite items, I got these. Look how pretty they are. I absolutely love them. I'm going to share them on the picture because I've actually worn them relentlessly since I got them. And I actually got caught out in the rain in them the other day when those thunderstorms hit the UK. Wasn't anticipating rain. I was literally walking down the street with a picnic blanket around my shoulders because I was dressed in a co-ord set and these. But these are so, so pretty. I absolutely love them. I recently picked up a pair of sandals that are really lovely from Zara, and they were kind of like the plasticky, acrylic-y type. I picked them up when we was in Venice actually because I had no flip-flops, and quickly realised that walking around Venice was not a good idea in high heels of an evening, and I only bought trainers. So I needed a pair of shoes and sandals, and they were so uncomfortable. And then in comparison, I picked these up. I mean, these are probably the comfortablest pair of sandals I picked up in a long time. I'm definitely going to look to order some more because I had a couple more in my basket very similar to this, but these were £9.20. So yeah, if you are looking for some more summer sandals for your wardrobe, I highly recommend these. So guys, that is everything that I got in the haul. Do let me know what you loved, what you didn't love, if there's any pieces you're going to be picking up. I'll make sure I leave everything in the description box below for you, so it's really easy for you to go ahead and find. And if you are new here, then I share all types of content on a weekly basis, from cleaning to finances to home and interiors. So if that's your kind of thing, then I would love to have you. Do click the little red subscribe button somewhere down below and give this video a big thumbs up if you have enjoyed watching. And I will see you all again in another video very soon. Bye guys.